Welcome this channel. Today's lesson pass the data one view to another view. So let's start. Uh, I have already created some codes in here. Are you see? So this is the first of a scan delegate file. I have adding a root view controller, and this is a navigation and view controller as a root view. And this is a view controller file. I have already created text field button, and this is center and add something RUC. And second view controller, I'm adding the center point label and title is nothing. And click action to click to push another view. This is second view controller. So let's see. I'll check in our run code. So this is our simulator and open time our project. So this is adding text field to write any something here and click send to push. This is our second view controller. Is it label center is nothing. So we are write anything this text field and click send button. So nothing label is changed title and replace this code, replace this text. So changing our some codes. So I have created first of all second view controller and create the variable is the receive data, and this is empty string, and this receive data access over second view controller the second VC and access to second VC and click to highlight this variable and pass the data is push send data, and this variable to replace this text. So I have static data is put here to click send button to pass here in second view control. This is push send data, but we are some changes. Please click write anything in text field. So click send button and pass here, and so this remove text and action. I have already created text field. So this is text field dot property is text. Anything write in text field we are access the text field dot text, but showing some error. This is the text field text is what's this optional type, right? Optional type. So text field text, and this variable is a non-optional type. So we are some changes is a string optional type. So removing this error, and another way to casting this default property. So remove this error. We are using this method and run our project again. So click. So no any data is empty text field. So this is no any data showing, but write this data. Sorry, create code with Anand and click the send. So push the data create code with Anand and another YouTube. So click send. So pass the YouTube. This way to pass data one view to another view. So thank you for watching this video. Like video, share video, and subscribe this channel. Hit the notification bell. You will get notification my latest video. Thank you.